toes and then a stuck landing, no movement of the feet.
Here's Rachel Gowey, the junior from Urbandale, Iowa, All-American on this event.
Rachel has a great routine and a great swing. Loved to watch her. Last week, I was watching and noticed that she landed with her chest down on her dismount, which is a no-no. So this is one thing to look for right here. She lands her dismount. Chest needs to be up. It's still a little bit down. That's a slight deduction, not huge. And I do think she does it to kind of see the landing, but that's one thing she'll want to work on. Still a great routine, though. Second routine, nice.
A 9-9 for Alicia Boren in that leadoff position for Florida. And we'll head back over to vault. Junior Jade Degovea from Fort